Now, this is a brilliant little accessory for any action cameras or phone mounts too, or Pocket 3, or cameras that can fit with the quarter thread here. So this is a magnetic foldable mount, mainly for the action cameras, but you put your action camera there, tighten it down. It has a little spot so you can do this without needing any kind of screw or whatever. You can just tighten it with your hand, tighten the camera on there, and then that gives you access to this magnetic back. So if you want to put this on your car, on your refrigerator, maybe your stove top or your toolbox, you can pop this thing on and it's strong, it stays, and even has quarter thread mounts there. So if you want to use it with a selfie stick or something and just kind of angle it and get different angles with that, it will work. It's a high quality product. It feels great in your hand, but also it sticks to that metal and get some amazing shots. So it helps you get more creative with your action camera where you're placing it in different spots. So highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.